Hi. So my mailbox has been a little busy this week. Let's do a haul video. This is my monthly Micropuzzles subscription. Every month they send 2 subscription exclusive puzzles and some other bonus. And this month it says unicorns make everything better. Happy puzzling. It's a magnetic photo frame and they are unicorn puzzles. How amazing. Thank you, Micropuzzles. This package came from the Netherlands. I've been really excited for this one ever since I saw it. Paris Postcard. I can't wait to practice it. Last year, New York Postcard was in the World Championships. The year before that, London Postcard was in the World Championships. What's guessing that this year's Paris Postcard will be in the World Championships. Got to practice this one. This one is from Germany. It's a custom Ravensburger puzzle. Apparently, even though you order this in the US, it's to be printed in Germany and mailed to you. This one was the design winner from this year's US Nationals. I'm very excited to do this one. World Championships always use fur puzzles. 2 years ago, half the puzzles at the World Championships were fur puzzles. You can't not practice the fur puzzles. This one was made in Europe. This was used in a European competition last year. I've been trying to get it for a year. Oh, now I can finally try it. Another one from Amazon, but Japan. I don't know why these puzzles are coming from all over the world. Two years ago at Worlds, there was puppies with phones. Kittens with wool seems like a smart thing to practice, don't you think? This one wasn't, I didn't get this one from the mail, but I was in Barnes & Noble and I saw this. I've never seen this design before, so I had to add it to my practice pile. This one's from Canada. This one's not for practice. It's just adorable. I like sewing, so a sewing machine is perfect for my collection of sewing puzzles. I have those planned for a later video. So, bunch of Ravensburger 500s for practice. Awesome puzzle for my permanent collection. And puzzles for travel. Looks like I'm all set for this month. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like and subscribe. Until next time, happy puzzling!